In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on Spell Checker in Outlook. If you want Outlook to help catch spelling mistakes while you write emails, this is a quick setting to enable, and once it's turned on, it can make composing messages much easier and more professional. This is especially useful if you send a lot of emails and want an extra layer of proofreading built right into the app. To get started, open Outlook on your device and make sure you're on the main screen. Once Outlook is open, look over to the Mail section and click on it. This will take you to the area where you can manage and compose email messages. From there, click New Mail to open a fresh email window. You don't need to actually send anything for this process, but opening a new message is necessary because the spelling and editor settings are found inside the email composition screen. Once the new message window appears, you can enter text into the email field and also add a subject line if needed. This helps make the editor tools visible and easier to access. Now go to the top of the message window and look for the three-dot menu. Click on those three dots to open more options. In that menu, find and click Editor. This opens the writing assistance tools available in Outlook, including spelling-related settings. After that, click Customize your editor. This is where you can adjust how Outlook reviews your writing. You should see an option for spelling. Go ahead and toggle that setting on. Turning this on allows Outlook to check your spelling as you write, helping you spot errors before sending your email. Once the spelling option is enabled, click OK to save your changes. That's it. Your spell checker should now be turned on in Outlook. From now on, when you compose emails, Outlook can help identify misspelled words and improve the accuracy of your writing. If you don't notice changes right away, try closing the message and opening a new one, since some settings apply best to newly created drafts. This is a simple adjustment, but it can save time, reduce mistakes, and make your emails look more polished. If you regularly use Outlook for work, school, or personal communication, enabling the spell checker is definitely a good idea.